So it's going to take about 12-15 minutes to actually learn to go through the meditations to learn holographic breathing. But there's a particular motion of the mouth in holographic breathing. The lips are closed and relaxed all of the time. The tongue is relaxed and on the roof of the mouth. And on the in-breath, there's a very gentle opening of the jaw. And on the out-breath, there's a very gentle closing of the jaw. And that whole time, as the jaw is opening and closing with the breath, the lips stay closed and the tongue stays on the roof of the mouth. To start off with, we're just going to get the tongue and the lips correct, and then breathe in that way through my whole kind of introduction, so you become used to having the tongue on the roof of the mouth, having the lips closed, and breathing through the nose. And then when we come to the exercises to start holographic breathing, it will be much easier. So the lips are relaxed and closed. The tongue, it's the upper surface of the tongue on the roof of the mouth. And it's as much as feels comfortable. So it's good to have the tip of the tongue close to or touching the front teeth. But if the tongue is a bit tense or a bit shorter, it's okay to have it a bit further back. But it's the flat of the tongue on the roof of the mouth. So allowing your tongue to relax up onto the roof of the mouth, have your lips relaxed and closed, and just find a really relaxed way of having your tongue on the roof of the mouth that feels comfortable. So you will be breathing through the nose all of the time. The tongue will be on the roof of the mouth all of the time, and the lips will be closed all of the time. And then when we go into it, we'll introduce the movement of the jaw, which is the jaws opening on the in-breath, the jaw closing on the out-breath. And quite often when we come to that bit, people think, oh, Martin must have been telling us wrong, because actually to open the jaw, you have to open the lips. You have to take the tongue off the roof of the mouth, which isn't actually true. With your lips closed and your tongue on the roof of the mouth, now just start doing some tiny little up-down motion of the jaw, a bit like chewing. Notice you can move the jaw up and down as if you're chewing. The lips can stay closed and the tongue on the roof of the mouth. So for everybody through this whole little talk, just having your lips relaxed and closed, having your tongue on the roof of your mouth. So we will go through some exercises to start the jaw movement. When we come into the meditation, we'll connect to the earth and the higher energies first, and then we'll go through some exercises. And at a certain point, holographic breathing just starts. The movement of the jaw just becomes automatic. Now, I'm going to just demonstrate it first so you can see it's a very subtle motion of the jaw. It's hardly moving at all. And the lips stay closed all of the time. So I'm just going to do a few breaths so you can see that. And very quickly takes you into quite a deep and meditative space. So through the going into it, I think we'll just do that. So having the lips closed, the tongue on the roof of the mouth, being aware of the breath through your nose, and just become used to having your tongue on the roof of the mouth so it feels relaxed in that position. Okay, make yourselves comfortable. So we're going to go into learning holographic breathing now. The lips are relaxed and closed. The tongue is relaxed on the roof of the mouth. The breath is through the nose. And to start off with, we're going to say hello to the earth and higher self. So sending a smile, sending some energy to the earth, and allow the earth to say hello back. Allow yourself to receive from the earth. Notice what that feels like through your body and through your energies. And then sending a smile, sending some energy to the higher self and the beneficial energies, and allowing them to say hello back, allowing yourself to receive from the higher self and the beneficial energies. And asking the higher self, the beneficial energies and the earth to be with you through the whole webinar as your guide, as your resource. So with having the lips closed, relax the tongue flat on the roof of the mouth and comfortable. However much of the tongue is on the roof of the mouth doesn't matter as long as it's comfortable. And now just making little up-down movements with your jaw, a bit like chewing. And notice that you can make little relaxed movements with your jaw, and your tongue can stay on the roof of the mouth, your lips can stay closed. And if your tongue comes off the roof of the mouth, that is fine. Just wait a little bit and put it back. There's no stress. You don't have to get it exactly right the first go, but the lips are relaxed and closed. The tongue is on the roof of the mouth. Now slowing down those movements of the jaw, and then on the next one, as the jaw slowly opens, allow the breath to come in through your nose. As the jaw closes, allow the breath to leave through your nose. So as you open the jaw, the breath will come in through your nose. As you close the jaw, the breath will come out through your nose, and the tongue stays on the roof of the mouth, the lips stay closed the whole time. Relax the back of your neck, relax the back of your head. Soft, small motion of the jaw. The jaw gently opens, the breath coming in through the nose. As the jaw gently closes. The breath is leaving through the nose. And now we're going to change the gestalt. We're going to bring the attention to the breath. So as you breathe in through the nose, the jaw relaxes open. As you breathe out through the nose, the jaw relaxes closed. Breathing in, the jaw relaxes open. Breathing out, the jaw relaxes closed. The tongue stays relaxed on the roof of the mouth. The lips stay relaxed and closed. And when you bring the attention to the breath, everything should soften. Breathing in, the jaw relaxes open. Breathing out, the jaw relaxes closed. As the teeth come together on the out breath, there's no force. They just gently hover together. Or they stay slightly apart. So the teeth separating on the in-breath, the teeth coming back together on the out-breath. And as they come together, they just gently float together, or they don't quite touch at all. Notice how you may start feeling a soft energy and breath moving through your whole body. As the chest opens, the jaw gently opens with it. As the chest closes, the jaw gently closes with it. They synchronize together. They start moving together as one. As the abdomen opens, the jaw is gently opening. As the abdomen closes, the jaw is gently closing. They become one movement. The jaw becomes part of the breath. So the whole torso is opening, the jaw follows along. As the torso is closing, the jaw follows along. The lips stay relaxed and closed all of the time. And the tongue stays on the roof of the mouth all of the time. If it comes off, that's okay. Just wait for a bit and then gently put it back on the roof of the mouth. To make it easy, you have your attention on the breath and have soft, light, small motions of the jaw. Gently breathing with the holographic breathing. And notice how in a very subtle way your whole face has started to breathe, your whole cranium, your brain, your neck, your throat has started to breathe. This movement of the jaw and dynamic activates a breath through the whole body, including the brain, including the cranium, including the arms and legs. Notice a very subtle breath through the arms, the legs, the hands and feet. Breathing in, they are opening. Breathing out, they are closing. Gently breathing with the holographic breathing. Notice it may feel like every cell is opening on the in-breath and every cell is closing on the out-breath, and feeling your connection with the earth and feeling your connection with the higher self. Let everything relax. Let everything breathe. Relax the back of your neck. Relax the back of your head. You start connecting to the breath in the earth. You start connecting to the breath in the heavens. You may feel a subtle energy flowing through your whole body and a subtle breath flowing through your whole body. Gently breathe. Relax and breathe. Okay, in about a minute, we're going to come back, gently breathing with the holographic breathing. Feel it gently in your hands, in your feet, in your arms, and in your legs. Everything breathing. And gently allowing yourselves to come back. And when you feel ready, allowing your eyes to open.